$10.20 and Randy is here, just pulled up. He just did beat the 10:30. So we got the door straps through on, and then we come in here and I mounted them to the inside of the door right here. I have to show you that tomorrow at the track. That way these things, I'll show you them whenever they get completely on. Right now he's taking the trim off. He's gonna get the trim taken off, and we're gonna replace it with these that we painted this week at the shop. If you're transporting trim and you don't want to get it scratched, get you an old piece of cardboard and lay your trim out and tape it. That way you're not throwing it all in your back seat and scratching it all up. It's an excellent way to transport it without tearing it all up. It's fired up, and then once it fires up,
oh, good. You know what that means. If Devin put it in the startup pin, all of us should be able to fire our shit up now. Stay right there, that's good. That's got to be closed off.
you can't, with that much pressure, you can't.
It was coming out right down.
Just now?
No.
Before. Okay.
It wasn't coming from there.
Oh yeah, we're gonna use it again. Oh, there is some on your paper towel. So it is leaking behind there.
had to get hot enough. That's that video you took.
Need a bump.
Yeah. Okay, try to bump it real fast. As fast as possible. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hold it right there.
You bumped too slow.
You gonna press the button.
So it is going on 2 a.m. and John is just starting to take apart the front of the motor. And so I come out here to grab my socket set to make it a little easier so they don't have to keep hunting for different tools. So this looks like this one might be a long night.
The 12 point.
Put that battery in the charger. Right here, Brandon's got to get one. Get that one back to Randy. He's gonna need that one to load it up. Unless it's day.
John, it's gonna be daylight when you're done with this. We're going straight to breakfast.
No, they're closed.
They'll be open by the time we're done with this.
Okay, I need. No, you didn't. I mean, I was back there filming, but we didn't film that part. Huh?
He was filming, I was putting it
Where's the
Randy's just taking the rap for it.
Where's the seal gonna go though? There's no place for it.
seal? No, the seal's there.
So there is a seal. So you didn't F up.
So is that what we got to replace there?
That fucking don't
Y'all, we did not do this. Randy sat this straight on his car. Randy sat this straight on his car with no rags, no protection, nothing. We got everything nice and neat with rags laid all out. Randy put that on his car. I think he's half asleep. So when he wakes up in the morning and finds that paint chip, he's going to regret it. All right, so it is 5 a.m. and I'm just now getting back into Wilmington. That's the way it goes sometimes. So fell a little short on that one. They ended up not having the right parts. So if you go watch Turbo John's video, he goes over exactly what happened and exactly what failed and went wrong. And that's just the way the cookie crumbles sometimes, right? So we worked, you know, all night to try to make it happen, and everybody put their best foot forward, and you just still, some stuff's out of your control. So, you know, it boiled down to literally having the wrong part. And having the wrong part was not anybody's fault. There was only a certain part in stock at TKM, which is where they got the item from, and it was a 50-50 chance on if it would be the correct one or not, because there was no way to check it prior to. So that's gonna be a wrap. Not gonna make WoooStock this year. And the funny thing is, I told John and them as we were locking up the shop leaving, I said, man, it's been a minute since I've been out till 4 a.m., which I mean now it's 5 a.m. getting into Wilmington. But I said the funny thing is, last time I was out till 4 a.m. was last year at WoooStock with y'all. Me and Mike actually left WoooStock, went and picked up the trailer, the race trailer that we were fixing a couple videos back. We got that a year ago, and we went and picked up the trailer and then brought it back to the shop. And I think we pulled into the shop around 4:30 in the morning to actually drop the trailer and head back to our houses. So it's been a year later to the date practically of WoooStock that WoooStock has put me out till the morning hours yet again. So I'm almost curious what next year is going to bring. But make sure you check out John's video. He goes way more in depth. You know, I'm not trying to go over top of his footage that he's already filming about explaining stuff. I'm just trying to show y'all some of the behind the scenes stuff and how it is. And I know a lot of y'all wonder about that stuff. So that's going to be a wrap on this one. And this one is just hopefully a little short that you enjoyed. It wasn't too long. We will start back up on the Comet, and we've got some more updates that we're going to do to Randy's cars and a couple other little items that I will update y'all with in the future. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Well, we turning on the road to the house, throwing the blinker on at 4:50 a.m. 4:50 a.m. we're gonna turn on the road. So we are gonna walk through that front door at 5 o'clock.